look what came in the mail this week. I am super excited. My Treasure Studios art. I am very, very thrilled. Now, just so you guys know, the struggle is real with shipping right now. With China shutting down because of their holiday, with shortages of drills, with COVID hitting hard in countries around the world, factory workers need to have the ability to stay safe. And so therefore, if someone gets sick, they need to treat their factory workers well. Therefore, we do not want them congregated together and pushing through the pain. And so I completely understand the delay. Please understand the delay. It is not the painting companies themselves. It is the world we live in right now. But I'm telling you, this company is worth the wait. They communicate all the time. They have amazing products. They are worth the value. They sit there and figure out how to cut costs on their end, pass it on to you. They have a great rewards program. Sign up for the rewards program. And I can offer you 15% off if you use down below DPGen15. Now, they have just upgraded in the last couple months their packaging, and I love it. This came in bubble wrap paper. I cut it off because I don't want to like accidentally hit my tripod. But what I love about this tube is it comes apart in the center, and so you can put different sizes when you're done in here. You don't have to worry about the top like popping off. I love the different colors that Rachel has picked out. If you're new to diamond painting, it has how to. It also has all of their information. It's gorgeous. And I didn't realize until I looked closer, this is actually like diamonds. Anyway, I love this because you can also store things as well. Okay, so I got, oh, and it also has the picture on the end. So this is a 55 by 70, and it's by Nicolee Payne. And when this came out, I'm like, I have to get it. I'm gonna put a picture right in here of this wonderful toolkit. They do an amazing job. I love it. Is there anything else in here? There's a canvas in here. Of course there's something else. That's what I need, right? Because even if the drills didn't come, I could figure that out. But I need the canvas. Okay. There's a lip on this tube to keep everything protected. And the canvas unrolled, which is great, but it's catching on the lip. So I've got to kind of maneuver it. This hasn't happened before, but okay, come on, get out of there. This is not the normal. I don't know what's going on. Okay, there we go. I'd rather have that issue and the canvas be beautiful and protected than other issues. I don't know why I have that extra. Okay. So I chose rounds for this one. It's a 55 by 70. It's called Old Soul. And you guys know I absolutely love elephants. So this is what I got. And here are the symbols, as you can see. And it comes with 35 colors. What I like about their inventory sheet, their checklist, is it tells you that you got round or crystal or square. It tells you the name, different things like that. It gives you their information. This one I would need 2 storage units for my drills, and so I would cut this out and I would put it on one of the storage units, and I might make a photo, and then I would cut this part out and put it on the other part of the storage unit. All right, are you guys ready to see this beauty? Now, just FYI, Treasure Studios Art, they don't do poured glue. They do not do double-sided adhesive. They do mounting glue, which is phenomenal. It's meant to be weathered outside. That's how it was designed. And so therefore, over time, it's not going to yellow. It's going to stay beautiful. Guys, look. Oh my gosh, this has to be one of my favorite pieces. Nicole, first off, thank you for sharing your love and your wonderful, what's in your mind, your imagination. And then thank you for sharing it with, oh, I've got to do this. How do you pick, people? Oh my goodness. I am about to do my Doctor Who, but I love elephants, and look, just I feel like there's so much wisdom in these eyes. Elephants live to be like 80+ years. They take care of their young. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Let's take a closer look at the drill field. Absolutely gorgeous. I did do round. As you can see, there are no dummy circles or training wheels, but it's going to fit perfectly, the rounds. The rounds are a little bit smaller than the rounds from other companies. And so, but the facets are there, and it actually promotes more sparkle. They also come in bags as well. And so I have tried using bags. I was working on a bags for my dragon, hashtag Scales and Sparkle Dragon event. And I realized I was just getting stressed. And so I ended up changing over to my storage preference, which here in the US is Harbor Freight. And so what I will do is take this, make a photocopy of it, and then I will cut these pieces out and put them on my Harbor Freight container. But these colors are absolutely gorgeous. I will be inventorying off site so I don't take up all your time, and then I will edit in the video if I'm missing anything. However, if I do, I know Rachel will send it to me ASAP. But these are smaller rounds. Let me bring you up closer so you can see. But the sparkle is out of this world. Now, the nice thing about this size is that you can use with, if you want to add more bling, which you really don't need to. If you go watch my Highland Cow video, you can see the sparkle. But if you do want to add more bling, you can go over to Tina's DP with sparklers and get ABs for square, or sparklers for squares. And squares are the same size as TSA's rounds. And so you can get that and bling out your painting. Or you can get square ABs, which would be the size, and nobody's going to be able to tell that they're square once they're in your painting. And it would be absolutely gorgeous. So guys, let's look at this one more time. Phenomenal. 55 by 70. My sweet spot is right around the 50 mark. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Perfect size for me. Perfect content, which is an elephant. So go check out TSA's. They've got amazing content. And you get 15% extra off if you use DP Gen 15, or the link down below. And check out Nicolee Payne has amazing work, but there's also a credible amount of other amazing artists if this is not your forte. So love you all. Be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.